Hello everyone! Mag-steam nga pala ako ngayon ng pork ribs with black beans and garlic sauce. So yan, nag-mince ako ng garlic, binuhusan ko ng mainit na mantika, minced ginger, minced bell pepper. Yan guys, mix natin lang ng kaunti at ihalo natin sa ating pork ribs. At ito guys, ang aking pork ribs. Ihalo na natin yung ating minced garlic, minced ginger, at minced bell pepper. Then marinate natin ng cooking wine, light soy sauce, little sugar, little pepper, oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, then black beans with garlic sauce, corn flour, chicken powder. At ayan guys, mix natin hanggang ito ay maghalo lahat. Then marinate natin to ng 1 hour bago natin i-steam. So ayan guys, mix na lahat. So iset aside muna natin. So after 1 hour guys, nagpakulo na ako ng tubig para dito natin i-steam ang ating pork ribs. At ayan guys, ready na ang ating tubig. Ilagay na natin ang ating marinated pork ribs. Takpan. Ninanaan ko lang ng kaunti yung apoy kasi naka-full kanina. So ayan guys, after 20 minutes, ready na ang ating pork ribs. So ayan, lagyan natin ng spring onion for garnish. At yan guys, ready na. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.